Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit dark underarms in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to edit underarms, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now simply click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to edit. Now, since we want to edit the underarms, simply click on the Tools option at the bottom menu and click on the Brush option here. Now, choose Dodge and make sure the value of Dodge and Burn is positive 10 and zoom in the area that you want to edit. Now, simply brush over the area that you want to make changes to. And once you're happy with your photo, click here to save changes. And just like that, we have edited dark underarms in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.